Welcome to our channel. If you want to evaluate streaming hardware services through trial offers before purchasing devices, follow these step-by-step instructions to test compatibility and features risk-free. Step 1. Research streaming hardware platforms like Roku, Amazon Fire TV, Apple TV, or Chromecast that offer service trials bundled with device purchases or rental programs. Step 2. Check if retailers or manufacturers offer risk-free trial periods where you can purchase hardware and return it within 30 to 60 days if the service doesn't meet your needs. Step 3. Look for promotional offers during major shopping events where hardware purchases include extended trial periods for streaming services, effectively letting you test both device and content. Step 4. Before purchasing, verify the streaming services available on each hardware platform to ensure your preferred content providers are supported. Step 5. Set up your streaming hardware according to manufacturer instructions, connecting it to your TV and internet to access the full range of available services. Step 6. During the trial or return period, test video quality, interface responsiveness, voice control features, and app availability to determine if the hardware meets your expectations. Step 7. Evaluate the integrated streaming services included in your trial, comparing content libraries, video quality, and user experience across different platforms. Step 8. Before your trial or return period expires, decide whether to keep the hardware based on performance, available content, and whether it provides enough value over your current streaming setup. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.